As dawn breaks over the rainforest, the mist rises like a gentle whisper, revealing a world transformed by the night's rain. Dewdrops cling to vibrant leaves, each one a tiny jewel reflecting the golden light. Look closely, and you'll see shimmering spiderwebs, nature's delicate artistry. The air buzzes with life. Birds flit through the trees, their songs echoing in the stillness, while tree frogs call from hidden nooks. Streams and waterfalls glisten, their waters dancing in the morning sun. Towering trees stand tall, casting intricate shadows on the forest floor, a reminder of the beauty and complexity of this thriving ecosystem. Each moment here is a celebration of life awakening anew.